Okay, so you know when you buy a box of cornflakes and the back of it, it has all these fun recipes and ideas. Not a lot of us really follow it, let's face it. But there is one for Christmas that caught actually Jeremy's attention. So this is for him. I'm super excited. So the ingredients you're gonna need is, here's my cheat paper, half a cup of butter, and you're gonna need about 5 cups of mini marshmallows and 1 teaspoon of green food coloring and 6 cups of cornflake cereal and half a cup of red candy. Now we chose the red M&Ms. We bought the bag, and Jeremy, because he has a lot of patience, he actually separated them. And so, however, red candies. And here we go. So once you mix all your ingredients, it's gonna look like this. Then to make a perfect wreath, then this is the easiest way for me. So get a plate, put a cup or bowl in the middle, so that way you could make a perfect circle. And see, isn't that gorgeous? This is just perfect. People could just cut up and get what they like. Or you could even make a smaller cups if you want. You could get a smaller plate and you could put a smaller cup in the middle and do the same thing. And it comes the same way. Voila. What are these called?
What?
What are these called?
What are what called?
Christmas cornflakes.
Wreaths.
Wreaths?
Wreath. Wreath, like you hang on the door.
Not wreaths, as a W. Okay.
All right, go.